Want Google Lens on your PC? Here's a quick 60-second guide for 2026. First, update Chrome or Edge to the latest version. Right-click an image and choose Search Image with Google Lens, or press Ctrl-Shift-L. The Lens panel opens on the right with tools like Text, Translate, Search, and Shop. To copy text, choose Text, drag to highlight, then press Ctrl+C to copy. Open the gear icon to set language, enable high-quality analysis, and manage history. Translate instantly by selecting Translate. The overlay replaces foreign text in real time. Use Shop to identify products, tap a result, and compare prices across stores. For notes, copy text from images and paste into any app with Ctrl+V. Use Search to find similar images, sources, or higher resolution versions quickly. Quick recap: Ctrl+Shift+L opens Lens, right-click for options, and check settings for quality. Try Google Lens now. Link in the description and subscribe for more fast tutorials.